What's up, everybody? Check out this landscaping trailer. Let's do a quick run around this thing, tip to tail like always. Front section, everything in front is removable. The coupler, the chains, the jack, and even the storage box, all bolted down. The front, we have a cage here. Cage comes down, expanded metal. Not a lot of magic, but you can see the quality. E45 everything, no overlaps. Just makes it look better. And the cool thing about it is, once you put your locks on it, everything is kind of held in place. Like even these bolts are welded on the back, so that you have to cut them off. Chains, everything, just to make it a little bit more difficult to steal whatever's in there. Instead of doing expanded metal like normal, we do a nice sheet metal. Just looks better. Wrap around tongue, which is the bottom part there, goes all the way to the back. Goes all the way to that hanger right there, the proper way. If you have that opening there, it'll bend. Top rail is heavy duty. Some heavy duty gauge, it's not sheet metal like 16 gauge or anything. Fenders, you can sit on them, stand on them. We have a 7,000 pound axle with brakes going to the tail. We have LED lights. We also have the 3-bar light on the bottom. You have to have the 3-light bar. If you don't have the 3-light bar, these corner lights and 7 lights in the rear, you're gonna get pulled over. You also need a light over the license plate. So if you don't have that, you're gonna get pulled over and get a ticket. They might even put you out of service. The ramp is spring loaded. I'm lowering it with one hand. So, and there it is. We got a little fancy on this one. I know you guys are tired of seeing this, but here we go anyway. We have the customer's logo engraved in the wood. Just looks cool. Now we're going to close this gate with one arm. So if you're tired of lifting that gate up, let us know. We can make you a new one so you're not fighting with it. And let's go to the other side. Spare tire over here. Spare tire, same treatment. Mounted, there's a plate here. Been doing this for 20 years. And then there's a bolt hole or a hole for a padlock. That way you can put a lock on it, keep people from stealing it. We have a battery on this side and your VIN number. The VIN number has a protective layer over it. It's a clear cover, keeps it from fading out in the sun in about 2 years. And that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot of magic here. We've been doing these for a long time. We've just never made a video or marketed them or anything. And customers are asking us to market our stuff, so we're doing it. There it is, guys.